Do you like parks? Do you like bike trails? Do you like being close to food and grocery establishments? Then 410 22nd Avenue, right here in Brookings, South Dakota, may be the home you are looking for. Let's go take a look. Convenience is key. This home offers unparalleled accessibility, whether you're just steps away, a moment away, or blocks away from everything you need. Brookings boasts many miles of bike trails that wind throughout the city. And from this location, you can practically step out your front door and connect with one or just go to the park. Fun and relaxation are always within reach. Located in a friendly neighborhood, this home stands out with its welcoming curb appeal. This charming 1971 ranch offers modern living with a touch of classic charm. Let's step inside and discover a large and inviting interior. The open concept living and dining areas create a seamless flow, ideal for entertaining and family gatherings. What I really like about this home is the stunning kitchen, featuring granite countertops and a stylish tile backsplash, perfect for all your culinary adventures. With 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and main level laundry, there's room for everyone. Need more space? The full lower level offers endless possibilities, whether it's a game room, a home office, or just extra storage space. Step outside to your fenced-in backyard, a safe haven for kids and pets to play freely. Imagine the potential this space holds for your family's needs and lifestyle. With updates from 2016, this home blends timeless appeal with modern amenities. Don't miss your chance to make this yours. Contact one of the Brookings Home Team agents or go to brookingshometeam.com for more details and information. Be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye now.